Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create charts from our data. We have seen lots of things which is related to formulas, tables and data related operations. So let's create a chart for this table. So to create chart, go to the insert menu, which is insert ribbon, and select chart option, and you can see various types of charts available here, which is column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter chart and other chart, which are surface, donut, bubble, radar and other charts. So let's create chart from this table. So first select data of which you want to create chart. So I am selecting my channel and forecast data and click on the pie chart and select type of chart, which is I'm selecting 3D pie. So chart is created. So you can see here various symbols for chart is given, and blue suggests that it is a mall stores forecast, which is this area, and highest forecast is of retail, which is this. So you can see retail have highest forecast, and this is the pie chart. Now let's see and create other chart of only. So I want to create chart of channel and forecast, and I am creating column level chart, column chart. So create column in 3D. So you can see chart is created, which is in a mall store. You can see series 1 point mall store value is 17,000, and you can see also value of series 1 point retail value of 9,45,734 rupees. So this is the use of chart in Excel. We can create chart very easily in Excel. So this is about chart. Thank you.